Hey Tanner, I hope your trading's going well. So I traded NAOV first this morning. Let me scroll back. So this morning it was shooting up, and I took my first trade at 8:17. I thought that, this was a lot of red volume. This green volume was still a lot, but it was less than this red volume here. It was also breaking VWAP. Took a trade, bought 1,000 shares at $1.23. It did not fade like I thought it would, and it popped back up over VWAP, and I quickly covered at $1.27 for a small loss. I took one more trade, again with the same thinking. I liked this red volume. It was breaking VWAP, but I feel like I learned from this incident that it wasn't doing what I thought. So I did not hold this very long, especially when I saw these green volume bars coming in. I covered at $1.23. As we look at NAOVs daily, I had drawn a lot of lines of support and resistance, and it was shooting through them today. So overall, those trades weren't my best, but I'm glad I got out of them. I had 2 trades and a $60 loss total, and the stock continued to rise. So I then switched my focus to BB. I took 3 trades on it. Let me pull up. So my first trade was over here at 909. I shorted at 785 and quickly covered at 788. I felt like this was one that I jumped in without much knowing why. So I, looking back, should not have made this trade. At open, the stock tanked. I wanted to take a position earlier, like around this candle, but I didn't want to hold it into the open. So it tanked, shot back up. I got in at 767. It did what I wanted. It dropped back down. I had a larger profit target than what this provided. I think it was like a $50 winner. However, when it came back over this level, as well as over VWAP, I had to cover at 772. Took another position here. Did not hold it very long. It popped over VWAP, and then I thought it was going to drop below VWAP, and this red volume came in, and it was higher than the green volume, so I thought that was promising. But I also had drawn this line and thought, I wanted a tight stop because I knew it did have room up into this line. What went over this line came back down, and I took another position thinking that it was just going to bounce off the support line, or resistant line, and drop back down. But once it popped back over again, I had to cover. So I shorted at 792 and covered at 801. It stayed in these bars for a little bit, but as you can see now, at like 10-11, it's gone past those lines. So I didn't have a winning trade. I traded 6 times, lost $110. Pretty proud of myself for walking away, and I still plan on watching the market. So let me know when you post your video. I'm excited to see how you did. Hope it was a green day for you.